Hey, Flora. So I'm between meetings and just trying to catch up on emails. So it's easier for me to talk through this on video than it is for me to type it all up. So, short story of my question. As you may know, part of the enrollment objectives that have been set for SFA to be achieved by 2023 are that we will become a Hispanic serving institution. And of course, that's a federal designation, which requires that 25% of our enrollment be Hispanic identifying. So we know that that's an enrollment objective, but in support of that objective, one of the things that the vice presidents have talked about is the need to have a team, which they're calling the HSI readiness team, to evaluate our campus, our services, the culture that we have, and how once we recruit these students to come to SFA, these Hispanic identifying students, we can best retain them so that we begin to then meet graduation benchmarks. So they're putting together a team for that. It's actually a pretty small team, and there are 10 faculty and staff who have been identified for it, and then they're going to have a student representative and a community representative as well. The team's going to be co-chaired by Irma Nieto Brecht, who is our executive director of enrollment management. She's our admissions person, and Dr. Gina Polarania, who's the chair of the Department of Modern Languages, or Languages, Cultures, and Communication now. And so your name came up, and the provost would like for you to consider serving on this committee. The committee will start meeting after the semester starts. Their charge is to meet as frequently as is necessary. My guess is it may be once every 2 or 3 weeks, and to formalize their recommendations next fall, and to have all of that work done so that they can present it to the vice presidents, the campus community, no later than November. So a little bit less than a year. This is a university committee. It's a group of people who are really engaged with issues related to Hispanic identifying students, students of color, marginalized populations. So they're a group of folks who are pretty sensitive to this topic. So anyway, I hope you'll consider serving. If you would just let me know if it's something that you would be willing to do as soon as possible, I'd really appreciate it, because if you don't want to do it, then I need to find somebody else. But I think you'd be a great fit. It's a really good team. It's people who are on the ball. They do what they say that they're going to do. I think it'll be a really good experience. And I think, truthfully, this is a team that has a lot of potential to impact the path that the university takes forward to support not only all of our students, but our Hispanic students in particular. So anyway, let me know.